Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the benefits of tea, particularly green tea. So I'm an avid tea drinker and I cannot recommend enough green tea in particular. So I'm just going to run through some of the flavours of the Twinings green tea selection, and I'm also just going to give some honourable mentions with other teas. So let's begin. So first up, I'll just give you a run through of some of the benefits. So right here is the lemon and green tea of Twinings. So in general, green tea has multiple benefits, but the first one is that it also has a bioactivity compound that improves health. So that's great to know, and it means that not only does it keep you awake, but because it has caffeine in, but it also is able to help you with inflammation and other health problems. So it has the antioxidant called EGCG, and this has many benefits to health. So here is another flavour, and right here is green tea, and this one has pineapple and grapefruit. So compounds within this green tea, which is the main ingredient of all of these, is said to improve brain function and make you smarter. So that is a great piece of information, and it's always great to know this is another benefit. So next I have green tea, and this has got lemon. This is one of my favourites of this selection, and just the added lemon does help sometimes if you want to jazz up the taste, and also it means that you don't have to even sometimes add sugar or sweetener. So another benefit of green tea is that it can increase fat burning and improves physical performance. Right here is the mint green tea, and mint also is very good for calming and also inflammation, so that's great to know. Another flavour which I can recommend is mango and lychee. So this is also part of the range, and it's quite an interesting taste, but I'm sure you would enjoy it. Also the back. So it just gives you a bit of information, and it also lets you know that it has 2 calories per drink, it's sugar free, and it has all natural ingredients. Another tea is ginger and green tea. Out of the whole series, I would say that this right now is my favourite. It is such a lovely flavour, and the ginger is really strong, and it complements the green tea quite nicely. The last flavour in this series I have is lemon and honey in green tea. So this flavour is great for if you're feeling unwell, and you know, the honey and lemon formula is always great to have, and the green tea also is an underlining taste. So those are all of my green teas. So here they are, and the other two. So definitely check out teas in your local stores, and I'll also put links in the description if needed. Another green tea brand which would be great to look for and has different flavours is this. So right here is the Bastilla range, and they have Really nice flavours which are very subtle and complement the tea quite well, and also very floral tasting, which is really different. If you like just pure green tea, then this could be for you. So this brand right here has lovely packaging, and it comes in 20 Muslim bags or satchels. And this is a great tea also if you're looking for pure green tea, or you could always buy the supermarket brand also. Some other teas which I drink is the Puka range. So right here is Puka, and it's the turmeric gold version. So it describes what it tastes right here, and I'll just give you a bit of information on the back. So turmeric has multiple health benefits, and it's always good to have it in like a nice easy way to consume it. So in a tea form is a brilliant way to do this. Then in the range I have this right here. So this is Puka Revitalize. Again, I love their packaging, and it just describes what's in it. So it has some cinnamon and also ginger in this one. And this is available at your local supermarkets. Next we have Puka Lemon, Ginger and Maruka Honey. So that's the front, and this is just the packet in general. So each packet comes with 20 herbal teas, which is the typical amount. Here we have this tea right here. So this is the night selection, and it's called Nighttime. So it has ingredients to help sleep. So this tea is really used a lot, and this is what the packets look like inside, if you don't know. So yes, I'd recommend this if you have trouble sleeping or just want help to feel sleepy. This is a great tea. Then the last one I have to show you today with the Puka range is 3 Gingers. So here it describes all of the ingredients, and this is the packet in general. So again, ginger has lots of health benefits, and this is a brilliant tea if you want more variation in your ginger teas. This brand of tea is awesome. It is honey and ginger, and it really is strong. So it's so strong tasting, you won't need any flavouring really to drink this, and it really has a kick. So this is one of my favourite teas just in general, and I highly recommend. So you usually can find this in the World Foods aisle, so do have a good browse. Then I just have the typical chamomile tea, and this is just very good for calming, and it has a very subtle taste. And going back to another staple tea I always purchase is strawberry and raspberry. So this is the box, and just have a back, and here's some info on the side. So again, I have the Twinings version of this. You can get own brand in strawberry and raspberry, but I always find Twinings makeup of their teas to be very unique and very strong tasting, so I love it. So thank you guys for watching my selection of teas. I really hope that you can try out your own, and do leave your comments of your favourite teas if wanted, and thanks for watching.